Hi everyone, today we are going to unbox the XL Digital MXQ Pro S905 Android TV box, and let's see what's inside. When you open the box you can see the user manual that's on English, and then you have the MXQ Pro device that has the SD and MMC card holder. Then you have 3 USB slots. After that you have one more on the back side, then SPDIF slot, AV slot, HD slot, and internet, and in the end you can find the slot for the power supply. On the cardboard you have the power supply cord and the remote control, and at the end you have the HDMI cord for the Mac. That's it. That's the things that you can find in the box. So let's move on to put this to the test. And so let's turn the device on first. And the first thing that you can see on the monitor of your television is online videos, recommended, music, then settings, local, and my apps. So let's see what we can find in settings first. You have network, display, sounds, apps, storage, and reset. And let's see how much storage do we have on this device. Internal storage on this device is 4.8 gigabytes, and when you buy it there is written that you have 8 gigabytes on it, but most of that 8 gigabytes is actually your Android application that you have on the device. So let's move on. Then you have preferences, remote and accessories, and personal. Of course you need a Google account to use the device properly. Let's go back now, and then if you go to local you can add any of the any application that you would like to add here. If you go to recommend, you have Netflix. When you go to online videos you can have Film Online TV, Kodi, Netflix, and you can add any other if you prefer. So let's see what we can find on Film Online Live TV. First thing that you can see is BBC News. Those are the paid channels mostly, but you also have a few of channels that you can watch for free. Okay. We won't wait for it to update. We're going to close it. Let's see what code it has. At the moment we didn't upload the Kodi application, so you can listen to music or radio or watch some films and series here, but we won't do that now. When you go to Netflix, you can watch Netflix for free for a month, and after that you have to pay for it. And let's see what you can find in my apps. You have 3D gallery, Apple installer, browser. We added Chrome because we mostly use Chrome in our house. Facebook, file browser. Again, you have Netflix, music, movie player, local and backup, Kodi, film online, live TV, Playstore, Route Explorer, settings, Skype and Twitter, and of course YouTube. And let's see how the YouTube looks like. And this is the YouTube application here. You can go to search. Let's see if you go to search. Okay, you can speak to search if you have the microphone. And this is how the keyboard looks like on your, when you don't have the external keyboard and you use the one that's on your device. And I think that that will be it for this video. If you like it, if you find this video useful, click like, subscribe to our channel, and write in under the video in comments what do you think about it and what would you like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!